After a new campaign has been established, there are several ways to start building a contact list to send follow-up and newsletter messages to. The simplest method is by directing contacts to send an email to the campaign's trigger address, which is by default the campaign name at getresponse.com. GetResponse also helps to design dynamic web forms, which will capture new contacts from existing web pages, blogs, and more. To get started, go to Contacts in the menu bar and choose Web Forms. Existing web forms for each campaign will be displayed. Use the drop-down box in the upper right to select the campaign the new web form will capture subscribers to, and then click Create New Web Form. Give the web form a name to help identify it later. An inline form is one which appears within the existing contents of a web page. A lightbox pop-up not only helps to attract attention to the web form, but it doesn't require making space in the page to fit the form. Lightboxes are different from traditional pop-ups in that they're not blocked by web browsers and can appear by fading, zooming, or sliding above the page contents. Click Advanced Options to specify the URL of a custom confirmation or error page relating to this web form. A tracking number can be entered to help track and group the contacts who subscribed using this web form. Click Next Step to personalize the web form. A template can be selected, and a preview of the web form is always displayed to the right. By default, the web form will have fields for the contact's name and email, plus a subscribe button. The fields can be reordered simply by dragging and dropping. Custom fields can be added to the forms so that additional data can be collected and then reused later to group contacts and personalize messages. If the web forms campaign already contains custom fields, they can be selected here, or simply click Create New to add more. To remove a field from your web form, simply hover over it and click Remove. The title of the web form can be changed, as well as the Submit button, to help attract more attention. When done designing your form, click Next Step to continue. The web form's HTML code will then be displayed, along with another code which will display the total number of subscribers. For the code to work properly, be sure it's pasted into the HTML source code of the page and not simply alongside the existing text. Once the code has been added to one or more web pages, the web form can be adjusted from within the GetResponse account, and all pages will immediately begin displaying the new version with no need to replace the code. To view and edit existing forms, go to Contacts on the menu bar and click Web Forms. Then select the campaign from the drop-down box. To the right of the web form titles, you'll find links to preview, edit the form, view the HTML code, or delete. Click Preview to see how the form will appear, and click Edit to make any further adjustments.